Hello everyone, my name is Ashok Anand and today we will study a topic of geography subject and topic is earth. It is a common topic but not so easy. So today we will learn about the earth. Okay. So first all I would like to ask you what is the earth? Okay. So I know you all know about the earth. So we all know that earth is the third planet from the sun and where we live. So example is diagram. So this is the diagram of and solar system and this is the sun and first planet is Mercury, second Venus, then our planet Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, then last one is Neptune. Okay, I hope you all get it. So now come to the topic. So Earth is the human home, and we all know that Earth is round, right? Earth is the round. So, what is the main reasons for life? What is the main reason for life on the Earth? Okay, first is first is the habitable zone. Okay, so what is the habitable zone? The habitable zone is the area around a star where it is no hot and not too cold. Okay, so suppose that is star and the area around like this, not too hot and not too cold. Okay, I think you understand. So second is positive environment. Positive environment like a balanced temperature balanced temperature and balance gravity. Okay, third is pure air and clean air, then water, then surface like plain areas, rocky areas and soil. Six is useful resources like metal, petroleum, coal, trees, food, extra. Okay, so like this we have a many more reasons. Okay, so so also we can understand earth earth two methods. It is the first help of globe and second is other with the help of map. Okay, so on this diagram you can see a sample of globe. Okay, okay, so you can see globe. Globe is like earth and earth is tilted 33 and half degree it axis like this. That is north and that is south and tilted is 33 and half degree. Okay, it's very important note. Okay, so 0 degree line. So what is the 0 degree line? That is equator. What is the equator? The equator divided earth into two part. First upper part is north and lower part is south. Okay, and then north side important line is 23 degree and half called tropical of Cancer, and south side is 23.5 tropical of Capricorn. Okay, and the same line is here, north pole to south pole is called Greenwich line. Greenwich line. Okay, so what is the equator and Greenwich line? Equator lines are a latitude, and Greenwich line is our longitude. Okay, so what is the longitude and latitude? So listen. So latitude is the measurement of or distance north to south, the equator. Okay, and what is the longitude? So longitude is the distance of the place east and west of the line of north pole to south pole. Okay, okay, so what is the main reason it draw on the earth? But I tell you, that is only imaginary line. Okay, it's not real, it's only imaginary line. But what is the reason is draw on earth? So longitude line is so time and date, measurement time and date, and latitude line is measurement weather. Okay, and latitude number is total number is 180, and longitude lines are 360. Okay, so now to come the map. I have again a sample of map to teach you. Can you here see some blue lines? Blue lines are indicate oceans. We have 4 oceans, like first is Pacific, second is Indian, third is Atlantic, fourth is Arctic. Okay, and other portion are continent. Okay, so you all know that about the continent. I think you know. So first continent is Asia, then second is Europe, third is Africa, then North America, South America, Antarctica, and last one is Australia. Okay, total number of continent 7, and total number of oceans are 4. Okay, so among all them is the biggest continent is Asia. Biggest ocean is Asia, and smallest Australia. Then what is the biggest ocean is Pacific, and smallest is Arctic. Okay, so I repeat it. Biggest continent is Asia, smallest continent is Australia, then biggest ocean is Pacific, and smallest ocean is Arctic. Okay, so I just try to give you an idea and about the earth. So I just try to give you an idea about the earth. I hope you all understand. So thank you and have a good day.